Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video on my channel. So today my beautiful client Philippa has come in for her redesign. Now I've had a week off. She's had these nails on for 4 weeks, and we just filed back down to our clear layer, and now we're coming in with our redesign. I absolutely love this client so much. Honestly, like, I love her so much. Anyway, I'm coming in now with Banana from CJP, and I'm going to do an ombre on the pinky finger. And before I crack on, I'm going to say that this design was inspired by Ashley Finn. Her name is Nails by Ashley Finn on Instagram, and she did have a YouTube, but I don't think she actually records anymore, which is a shame. So if you're watching, Ashley, get back on the YouTube hype, girl. So then after I've blended that banana down, I am coming in with Birthday Suit and just getting that ombre in and the cuticle area in, and then just blending down. And obviously I wasn't happy with the coverage or the blend, so I'm just going to come in with another bead, place it on the top, tuck it into the cuticle area, and then blend down onto Banana. So as I was saying, these nails have been on now for 4 weeks, but this is actually her 5th redesign. Fifth, it might even be 6th. 5th or 6th redesign. And just on this pinky and the finger after, the nails are now kind of not like almost tilting a little bit to one side, just how my nail is growing. So I think maybe I'll just re-sculpt a couple of these nails next time, just to try and put them back into a straight forward shape. Does that make sense? Like, not that they're wonky from the shape, but wonky from how they're growing out. I hope that makes sense. Anyway, I'm coming in on the ring finger here, and I'm using Birthday Suit to create a V smile line. Just making it nice and pointy and patting it into place, making sure that it's consistent all the way around, that the sides are the same, the wings come down to the same bit. And then I'm just going to come in with another bead just to bulk up my apex area, because obviously I'm not going to cap this nail at all. This next finger is going to be a full nail of Banana, and then I'm going to smother it in glitter from the Glitter Fairy, and it's from her Princess collection, and it is Belle. I'm pretty sure she's the yellow one. But yeah, it's from the Princess collection. Anyway, it's a beaut. So I'm just not really too fussed about the coverage, but obviously I want to cover the design underneath with the yellow. I don't want any of that shining through. And I couldn't file it off with my e-file because it just took that nail so thin it would have just snapped off. So that's why there is a little bit of glitter underneath. But when I file, I do then come in from underneath the nail and just remove some of that old design and the previous, like the ledge where the nail has grown up, because that is not nice. So then, yeah, after that, I'm just going to take a small bead of crystal glass, pick up the glitter, and then just smother it on the whole of the nail. So our beautiful Philippa here is a nail tech herself, and this index finger on her right hand, so yeah, this is her right hand, and her thumb on her right hand, literally when she comes back after the 3 weeks, normally she goes 3 weeks, but this time's had to be 4 because I had a week off. Her thumb and her finger just completely go out of shape. You know what it's like. This is why I decided not to wear nails anymore, because I just get wrecked, and it's so frustrating doing your nails, spending that time. But this one came back really off the scale. So I sculpted one corner, and then I'm just going in with the yellow and rebuilding the other corner. And then I'm just going to do another ombre with birthday suit, placing out the cuticle area, tucking it in, and then tickling the very front of that bead down onto the yellow and ombreing them together. Hello, what are you doing? Hit your foot? Want me to kiss it?
No.
No?
Colouring it.
Oh, you coloured it?
Yeah.
Oh, what colour is it?
Pink.
Oh, pretty pink foot.
Yeah.
So the thumb is going to be the exact same process as the middle finger. And as I said, her thumb was so badly like wonky and misshapen, I just literally filed off the free edge and then re-sculpted a new free edge.
Let's put the glitter on.
So then I'm going to cap the pinky, the middle finger, and then I'm going to come back. I'm going to cap the index, cap the thumb, and then I will do the French nail with the yellow. So I'm taking banana, I'm going to place it at the free edge, take it down to the wings, and then I'm going to tuck it right in, build up so the smile line is completely like the thickness that I want and completely covered, and then I'm just going to leave that. I am so sorry if you can hear my kids in the background. They are screwing. Normally, I don't do voiceovers until they're in bed because a lot of people were moaning that the kids were in the background. But you know what? With doing more videos, I don't have time to sit there at night doing all. Like when my kids go to bed, I try to go to the gym, and it's my time. So I definitely don't want to be doing YouTube voiceovers at night time. So we're doing it with some screaming kids in the background. So yes, moving on, going to cap the thumb. I'm using crystal glass, I'm using the big boy brush, and I'm using the one monomer. Love it. It's primerless, HEMA free, and actually has a little bit of a lesser smell, I think, than the ultra adhesive. Yeah, you don't have to use primer with it, which is fantastic. I haven't had any clients with any issues. as of yet. So I'm loving this monomer. Yeah, so it's capping that now, and then I'll leave to set. I'll do all the filing. I didn't leave any filing in because I do have a busy day, so I'll just record what I can. I will try and leave some filing in for you though in the next couple of videos. Like the next video after this won't have any in because I recorded that today as well. But maybe tomorrow's videos I'll try and leave some filing in. So after I've filed, shaped, buffed all of the nails, I've applied 2 little crystals onto the ombre fingers, and then I'm going to use CJP tack free top gloss, top coat all the nails, the nice thin coat. I love it. It keeps them super shiny. She's going to cure in the lamp for 60 seconds, and then I'll replenish her cuticles with cuticle oil, and that is the finished video. I've left a little clip at the end for you to see the final result. I love you all so much. Don't forget to hit the like button if you like this video. Don't forget to hit subscribe because it means the world to me, and if you fancy giving it a little share, then I wouldn't mind that too. I love you all, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye bye.